I just got off of a long ass shift. This camera looks kind of fucked too. Is that better? Stop trading a bunch of strategies that are way too complicated for you. Instead, use liquidity sweep, breakup structure, and fair value gap. Easiest strategy in the world, and I've made quite a bit of money off of it this year. So let's just quickly hop into this and literally show you how easy this strategy is, because I can't just tell you, you have to see. So first and foremost, what we do is we look for liquidity on the 30-minute. Okay, we have liquidity sitting here. Price comes back up and it sweeps both of those areas of liquidity. Now you're wondering, how do we know what to take a trade off of? How do we know which liquidity? Well, that's when you drop down to the 5-minute and you look for your breakup structure, because your entry is going to be based off of your breakup structure. This is the first liquidity, we sweep it. Where's the breakup structure? All the way down here. Are we going to wait for price to come all the way down there to take that trade? No. What does that mean? We are not going to be taking that trade then, right? Even if it did come back down into there and didn't sweep this one, we're not taking the trade. Next, we have a second area of liquidity that we know is sitting right above it. We come back and we sweep that area of liquidity right above it. Where's that breakup structure? Well, that breakup structure is right here. Well, guess what happens? Price continues and breaks structure to the upside again, meaning there's going to be another breakup structure to the downside, or meaning this breakup structure is going to move up to right here since we are at a higher price. What do we do now? We continue to wait for that breakup structure on the 5-minute. What happens if it never happens? Then we don't take the trade. But as you can tell, breakup structure. Where's our entry? Boom. That candlestick that broke and closed below that breakup structure. Our stop loss is going to be above our highs. Now we're going to go back to the 30-minute. We're going to look for fair value gaps, lows, areas of liquidity to the downside. Many things you can really target. Honestly, just target whatever you're comfortable with. I've back tested this strategy a ton, and I'm going to be the first to tell you. Aim for a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, 2, 1 to 1.2. And the reason I'm saying that is because that's where I see the best success, the highest win rate is going to be off of those. Don't be too greedy and don't cut yourself short. 1 to 1.5 is what most professionals go for, but at the end of the day, it's really what your risk tolerance is. Maybe you like a little bit riskier, 1 to 1.3. 1 to 3 risk to reward, some people like. But this is a 1 to 1.82. I'm going to take this all day. As you can already see, our entry would have taken, and what would have happened? We would have obviously smoked take profit, because this wouldn't have been a video I'm taking or giving you guys if it wouldn't have hit take profit. Let's be real now. But as you can tell, boom, came down. How long did this trade take? Let's quickly check. 4 hours and 30 minutes. And you do not have to stare at charts. You place a trade and you walk away.